Welcome back, everyone. The stock I want to talk about today is Opendoor. The ticker symbol is OPEN. And the reason I want to talk about it today is because it did something very interesting on the technical analysis, which we will go over shortly. So, if you don't know what Opendoor Technologies is, it's an online company that helps you buy and sell real estate. It's actually trading at nearly an all-time low, down down almost 93% from, a few years ago, which is tied to the interest rate. But since there's talks about the interest rate being dropped, this stock just did something really interesting on the technical indicators, which might be a sign that it is reversing trend. So if we go take a look at the daily first, you see that it just crossed above the 50-day moving average. And I like to use this indicator called super trend, and it just printed a buy signal on the super trend. So if we turn on the 200-day moving average, and then I'll show you what the 4-hour chart looks like, and then the 45. So the 45-minute chart is also very interesting because, again, as you can see, it's been on a downtrend for almost this entire year, just on a downtrend, has not broken the 200-day moving average on the 45-minute chart. But just now, maybe, what is this? Just this week it printed a golden cross on the 45-minute chart, and it's you can see a clear trend reversal. So this is a very good sign. And then if we go back to the let's check the 4 hours. So now we're looking for it to break this 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart, and it's looking like a trend reversal. So the next thing we're going to look out for is for it to test this right here, test this resistance and $1.59. So that's a huge rally, like 100% rally. So from here, so you could technically double your money. Again, I've said this in every video, none of this is financial advice or trading advice. This is for information purpose only. Please do your own research. I'm just bringing you stocks that I personally find interesting. So these are all very good sign. Buy signal on the super trend, clear trend reversal. We saw golden cross on the 45-minute chart. Now let's take a look at the fundamentals. So there's the short float still incredibly high. 25% is an incredibly high short float. And if we do get good signs about the interest rate dropping, then this could potentially trigger a short squeeze. As because as the price goes up, all those short sellers have to like cover their short position. So if we take a look at some of the forecasts, it's pretty much tied to the Fed rate cut, which could lower mortgage rates and increase home buying activity, which OpenDoor.com will benefit from. So that's something to look out for. And overall, I think this is, as you can see, it's trading. If we take a look at the weekly, it's trading at a near all-time low, and it's doing some trend reversal pattern for the first time in months. So I think this is a good time. Personally, again, not trading advice. Do your own research. This could we could see it potentially come down to test this 50-day moving average. So as it's going up, maybe somewhere the 50-day moving average would be right here. It could like test this 50-day moving average and bounce off. But everything's looking good for the stock. We know the interest rate has to go down. If it goes down, this will definitely 100. If the interest rate goes down, which every month we'll get some new information, this stock will 100% go up as the interest rates go down. But because we saw like the short float is so high, so this is an incredibly high short float, this could trigger a short squeeze, a mini short squeeze, or a rally at best. But so these are all good sign. And I just want to put this stock on the radar, bring it to your attention. If you take a look at my channel, I predicted a few stocks accurately, PRME, INVZ, to name a few. You can go look at those videos. From the time I made the video, both those stocks are up over like 80%. So I think I have a pretty good track record. You should definitely subscribe, turn your post notification. I enjoy making videos like this, but I will make other type of videos regarding news events that will affect like your finances and world events. So please subscribe, turn your post notification, and most importantly, just do me a quick favor and hit a like on this video. That will really help out a lot. And just let me know interact with me in the comments. I'll respond to everyone. Tell me what you think about the stock, and just interact with me in the comment section. And I'll see you on the next video.